This thing is huge. Oh man, this thing is heavy. Come on. Come to Papa. Oh my.
It's a 10-pound pike.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo. Oh, I'm not going.
Yeah, don't stick your hand in its mouth. Are you kidding? Wow, that is a big one.